What is going on, guys? Justin Review Update back again with another video. Today, or should I say tonight, it is currently like 8 o'clock. I feel like it's been a while since I've actually, oh, and there goes the light. I feel like it's been a really long time since I started a video here in the car. We are about to head downtown and check out the NOCTA billboards here in Toronto. As you guys know, they have them in New York, LA, and Toronto, so we're gonna go check them out for ourselves. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for the journey. Let's start up the car and get things going. Alright, so we're currently headed to Dundas Square, kind of like the equivalent to Times Square in Toronto, except like 3 times less the size. But as you can see, we put on a CLB hat, got the puffer on as well. But we're headed to the ads, and then we're gonna show you those. So I'll catch y'all when we get there. Alright guys, so we are here, and the ad actually plays on all of these screens, so it's gonna be insane. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Alright, so if you take a look right behind me, alright, so as you guys saw there, that is all the NOCTA ads here. There's one more just up the street, which you guys saw on the way in. But yeah, that's it guys, really sick. I got a few photos, so follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. Go see the photo. But yeah, we're about to head in the whip and then hop back home. I hope you guys did enjoy that. Take a look. There it is again, guys. NOCTA, December 18th. Guys, December 18th is going to be insane. It's releasing on multiple places. I am going to be doing a whole entire video on where it's dropping, times, what's dropping in drop number 1, and all that good stuff, so don't even trip. Alright y'all, and we are back. Everyone was asking about the poster and it was moving in the last video. Honestly, I have no idea why I was moving, but I was moving it around today and this shit straight up broke on me. So shout out to Michaels for the shitty frame. Anyways, we got some more NOCTA news. I'm going to do my best to update you guys in every video. A little more information on NOCTA. And I also want to show you guys what everyone's feeling. How many people want the black stuff, the yellow, the hoodies, the tees. So we're going to explain and elaborate a little more on the NOCTA release as we go on. So let's continue with what we have going on. I have my Instagram up on screen now, as you guys can see, and I've created a whole highlights for the NOCTA collaboration. So if you guys need to be updated or informed, just head to this story right here, and we have all the information you need on this story. So very key if you need to catch up, or maybe you need to send it to your friend. So I posted that OVO flagships might be getting NOCTA, and I want to come on here and confirm that with you guys. OVO stores will be getting the NOCTA collaboration. So if your state or your country or your province has no restrictions on going to malls or stores, that store will be getting the NOCTA collaboration. Unfortunately here in Toronto, in store we will not have it, but online could definitely be a possibility. On the lookout for that. But stores like Ottawa, LA, those should be open and you could get your NOCTA there at OVO. Moving on, I want to say sneakers is another great place to get your hands on the collection. EU, US. Unfortunately here in Canada we don't have sneakers up. But Livestock here in Canada as well as Capsule will be getting the collection. Lots of EU sites, guys. As you can see, Asphalt Gold, never heard of them. Even with Naked, I've heard this place like once before. They're getting the collection. So if you are in the EU, you definitely have a lot of places to get your hands on the collection. I also did see that raffles might be coming to websites and stores. I assume Capsule will probably do a raffle and other online boutiques. So good luck to everyone entering the raffles. And then I did a little this or that. So I did want to see what everyone was feeling, the black or the yellow. And black, as you guys can see from all these stories, the pants, the t-shirt has dominated the entire collection. So Honestly, best of luck if you are going for anything black in this collaboration. The yellow should be fairly easy to get. But again, the black most wearable could go with everything. Definitely going to be the hardest stuff to get. So personally, on my wish list so far, it's going to be the pants, it's going to be the t-shirt, it's going to be the hoodie, the pocket hoodie. That's probably going to be coming in drop number 2, which I'm going to get into the next video. But I also want to grab that mock neck, that turtleneck. That one looks really cool as well. Probably a hat and a couple pairs of socks. I'm still debating on the puffer right now. It's like 500 Canadian. Don't really want to be throwing out that money right now, but we will see sooner towards the release date. So that is about it for just a little update on NOCTA information right now. Here is my photo from the vlog today. Go like that, go follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to be doing a CLB giveaway this week as well. So stay on the lookout for all that good stuff, man. I want to give a huge shout out to everyone who's been following, liking, subscribing to all of the Instagram pages, to the YouTube channel. We just hit 4,000. So shout out to everyone for that. Again, like I was saying in the last video, update snapbacks on the way, as well as a lot of more content. So with that being said, y'all, thank you for tuning in today's video. Drop a comment, update season, if you made it to the end of the video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. We out. Peace.